Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer passwords to Google Password Manager in 2026. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then open Google Password Manager. Next, go to Settings and find the Import Passwords option. Click Import Passwords to begin the transfer process. Now click Choose File and select the CSV file that contains the passwords you exported from another browser or password manager. After selecting the file, click Import. Google Password Manager will securely import the passwords into your Google account. Once the import is complete, you'll see your saved passwords in the password list. You can click any account to verify that the username and password were imported correctly. This is the easiest way to transfer passwords from browsers such as Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or another password manager into Google Password Manager. For security, make sure the CSV file comes from a trusted source. After the import is successful, it's a good idea to delete the CSV file from your computer because it may contain your passwords in plain text. That's how to transfer passwords to Google Password Manager in 2026. It's a quick and secure way to move all of your saved passwords into one place. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.